Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 Rentals. In its project description, you manage a beach guest house in FT Launderable containing three types of rental units. Prices are based on peak and off peak times of the year. You need to calculate the maximum daily revenue for each rental type. Assuming all the units are rented, in addition, you need to calculate the discount rate for off peak rental times. Finally, you will improve the appearance of the worksheet by applying font, alignment and number format. That is our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, Access assignments, or if you need help in Pearson course or Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open chapter 1 rentals. I already opened this file. That is our file. Our Now we will move to our second step. Our second step is you want to format the main title to have consistent appearance to the other documents and spreadsheet. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to G1. We will select the range A1 to G1. That is our range A1 to G1. We need to apply cell styles. Heading 1 cell style. This one we will apply. That is now applied. That's our second step. Our third step is you want to apply a similar complementary style to the date which is below the main title. Apply 20% accent 1 cell style to the range A2 to G2. So we will go to select the A2 to G2. We will select the cell style. What is he saying? 20%. Apply 20% accent 1 cell style. So we will select 20% accent 1 cell style. That is our 20% accent 1 cell style. That is now applied to the range A2 to G2. That's our third step. Our fourth step is the peak rental heading is centered over the related data in the column C and D. You want to the off-peak rental heading to be centered over the related data. Margin center off-peak rental in the range GE4 to G4. So we need to margin center E4 to G4. That is our E4 to G4. We will select margin center. That is our fourth step. Our fifth step is to help other people to know that the off-peak rental heading is related to three columns of the data. You want to apply fill color that to that heading. You will choose a different color to distinguish these data columns from the fill color used for the peak rental heading. Apply the blue fill color, the 8 color below the standard color and white background 1 font color to the cell E4. So we will go to the cell E4. That is our cell E4. First we need to apply the fill color. What is the fill color? Blue fill color. That is our blue fill color. The 8 color under the standard color we will select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, that is our blue color. We applied a blue fill color. And what he is saying, white background 1 font color to the cell E4, white background 1 font color. So that is our white background 1 font color. So we applied a blue fill color and white background 1 fill color to the font. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is 3 heading maximum revenue and discount rate don't fully displayed on the fifth row. Instead of widening the column, you want to wrap the heading within their respective cells. This will enable to maintain the column width appropriate for the data below the heading. Center and wrap the heading on the row 5. So we will select the row 5. That is our row 5. First we need to center. That is our center. Now we need to apply wrap text to this. So we have got like that. That's our sixth step. We have total 23 steps of this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know about the remaining steps of this assignments, or if you don't understand the step I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And my WhatsApp link is also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me on my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.